Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we are going to talk about Tezos, XTZ. We are going to look at it on the weekly, the 3-day, the daily, and we're going to see where we're going next. To boldly go where no Tezos has gone before. That's what we're going to do today. Starting on the weekly chart. I normally start with the daily, then go to 3-day and weekly, but can we just take a second to appreciate Tezos's amazing moves, just macro trend up and up. This is what you want to see out of coins. Nice moves up, higher highs on the macro scale. Look at this. Perfect. I love it. This is our 21-week EMA, currently about 375, but we are well beyond that right now. So this is an excellent pattern for Tezos. We put on our Bollinger Bands. Our bands are actually opening even farther right now. That's what you want to see. You want to see the mouth open, prices up. This is super bullish. If you can hug this top line and the mouth opens again, that's really good. So we're probably going to be continuing up in the near future. How high can we go? We don't know. Nobody knows. We're in so-called price discovery now. So can this go to 7, 8, 9 in the next days and weeks? Of course. Is it likely to go much above that? Maybe not for the immediate term, for the next few weeks, but if we get above, 6, 7, 8, maybe we could. We just got to we'll keep checking on it for you. Follow us. I'll keep checking Tezos. It's looking really good right now. How far until this band starts closing back up again like this? We're likely still okay. Let's go look at it on the 3-day and see what it looks like. See how this is not quite as bullish in the short term. This is a 3-day. This is a little bit shorter term. We're still well outside of our Bollinger Bands, which it can last a good amount, as you can see back here. But 95% of your price action is going to occur within these bands. So let's go ahead and continue down. Now we're still above our 21 EMA line. We're still above our purple median line for the Bollinger Band, so still good. Nothing, no cause for concern on this chart yet. We'd like to see this band also open back up again, just like it did back in here. Let's look at it on the daily and see what we got here. Band is kind of flat on the bottom, as you can see this. We want to see this continue to curve down. We want prices to get, if prices continue to move up here, this is on a daily chart now. If we get back above up in here to like above 625, I think you'll start to see this curve down more, and we could be looking at a little bit higher prices in the coming days. And yeah, so far so good for Tezos. Let's put on our moving averages here and see what else we can find. Now, this is our 21-day and our 50-day moving average. You can see if we've broken our 21, we've usually held our 50. And if we haven't held our 50, you got a lot of volatility going to the downside back in late February. Remember that? So we need to look at our 100 and 200. We have not had any prices below the 100-day moving average really all of this year, since early January. Once we got above that, it's kind of been just bullish and bullish, and we're even well away from our 21-day at the moment, which is currently just shy of $5. Zooming into our 4-hour chart, this is what you want to see. You want to see prices above your top moving average, which so far so good. We've got a bounce off the 50 and then made a nice move. So far, we're bouncing off the 50 for a few days back in here, and now we're hopefully getting ready to make a higher high. You want to watch that for this. If we can get above 680 right there, if we can close, this is a 4-hour, so each candle is 4 hours, but if we can close a candle above here, you could anticipate higher prices. Anytime you're continuing to make higher highs, it's a great sign. High, higher high, higher high, higher high. So that's short term. That's what you want to look for. Making higher highs. You want to get prices above this average here. Start moving up. Keep moving up. But you can see our Bollinger Bands closing a little bit here. So volatility will be a little bit decreased. Now, if prices really start booming, this will start flattening out, and these will hopefully start opening again. But even if we continue to move up, as your bands close together, you want your price action to the top side of this purple line. We can hide our moving averages again to make it a little easier to see. But when your bands are getting closer, like look, see this back in here, we're converging with the lines just like we are now. And then you get your prices. You want your prices above this purple median line as your bands are close together. And then when your prices continue to move up, the mouth opens, and then you can have your explosive move. So as these continue to close, maybe they continue. They don't have to. They can open back up again in a hurry. But we want our Tezos price action to be above this purple line if and when they start opening back up again. Zooming way in on the 1 hour, we're still looking good. Bollinger Bands real close together. Price action way up high, good sign. So immediate term, so far so good. So that's what I have for you for Tezos today. All looks well. If you watched this long, I appreciate you. If you'd like to like the video, I'd appreciate that as well. Follow us, subscribe to us. Follow us on Twitter, Telegram, Patreon. Patreon if you want to learn a little bit more. We have private chat on there. I'm active in that every day. I post some private stuff on there for people that want to learn more. Really, if you don't want to learn, you just like the for YouTube videos, that's fine. But if you want to learn a little bit more, you want a little bit more help, that's what Patreon's for. It's for people that need a little something extra. We do some weekly exclusive videos in there as well. Just a little bit more teaching stuff. So all those links are in the description below. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. See you on the next one. Happy Thursday.